In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite on Discord through Link. If you've just created a new community or you want to bring friends into an existing server, the invite link is the fastest, cleanest way to do it. I'll walk you through the process, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few quick tips so your invite works exactly the way you expect. First, make sure you're inside the server you want to invite people to. Look to the very top left of the Discord window, just above your channel list. You'll see the server's name there. Click the server name to open the server menu. If you're on mobile, tapping the server name at the top achieves the same thing. And depending on your device, you might see a small menu button next to it. Either way, the goal is simply to open that server dropdown. From that menu, choose the option labeled Invite to Server. On some versions of Discord, this might appear as Invite People, but it's the same thing. Selecting this opens a small window or panel that contains your server's invite link. If you don't see the option, it likely means you don't have permission to create invites in that server, so you'll need to ask a moderator or the server owner to enable it for you. Once the invite window appears, you'll see a link generated for your server. If you have the right permissions, you can edit that link before sharing it. Editing typically lets you adjust details, such as how long the link will stay active and how many times it can be used. Some servers also allow temporary membership via the link, which means people who join with that link can be removed automatically when they disconnect. If you're sharing broadly, consider limiting the number of uses or setting an expiration to keep things tidy. If you're inviting a small, trusted group, a longer-lasting or non-expiring link may be more convenient. After you're satisfied with the link as it appears, copy it. There's usually a copy button right in the invite window, but you can also highlight the link and use your system's copy command. Then paste the link wherever you plan to share it: a direct message on Discord, a group chat, an email, or any other communication tool you use. Be mindful about sharing publicly if your server is private or has rules about who can join. And that's all there is to it. Click the server name, select Invite to Server, review or edit the link if needed, then copy and send. Simple, fast, and effective.